Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download Too Good To Go app on a device. Now if you want to download the Too Good To app on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to download the Too Good To Go app, then you need to simply open App Store or Play Store on a device. So if you are an Android user, you need to open Play Store, and if you are an iPhone user, then you need to open App Store on a device. So I'll simply open App Store on my device. So this is the homepage of App Store, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar, as well as you'll see various things on the upper taskbar. Now you need to click on the option of search at the very bottom right, and there you need to click on the option of search, and there you need to search Too Good To Go. It will take you to the page where you'll see various options of that app. Now you need to click on the option of Too Good To Go, where you'll see the option of Get, which is highlighted on blue. So as you can see on the screen, it is highlighted on blue, and now you may simply click on the option of Get to install it. Now if you are installing it for the first time, it may ask you to double click on the power button at the very top right. So you may click on that, but it simply says to install it on mine, so I'll simply click on the option of install. So after some time, as you can see, that the download has been started. So that's it. That's how you can install Too Good To Go app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.